That's right, Steve. And this law passed 4 years ago, but it never took effect. Now recent Supreme Court decisions have it back in court. At 1:30 sharp, Judge Celine Gogarty walked into the courtroom.
Thank you. Please be seated.
Every available seat in the courtroom was taken, as the decision in this case could ban almost all abortions after about 6 weeks. That law was passed in 2018, but it never took effect because an injunction blocked it. This hearing was on a motion to vacate that injunction, and it all has to do with decisions from the Iowa Supreme Court and the U.S. Supreme Court.
My clients are here today asking this court to dissolve the injunction entered against them in 2019, because now that there is no fundamental right to an abortion in the state of Iowa's Constitution or the U.S. Constitution.
While most of the hearing was procedural about whether the motion should even go forward in this court, the ACLU's Rita Bettis Austin took immediate aim at the nature of the fetal heartbeat law.
This is a draconian and inhumane law that bans abortion at the earliest stages before many people know that they're pregnant.
She argued that the 2018 law remains unconstitutional, but lawyers for Governor Reynolds argue the landscape changed when both the Iowa and the U.S. Supreme Courts handed down landmark decisions on abortion in June.
It's clear now that this law is constitutional, which is why it would be inequitable for the court to continue to enjoin it on that basis.
We do not have a specific timeline on when we'll hear results from this hearing today. We are live in downtown Des Moines. Andrew Mullenbeck, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.